Look at these two videos. Ever wished you could go back in time? Well, in English you kind of can. Welcome to the past perfect tense, the secret weapon for talking about events before another past moment. Stick around because by the end of this video you will be using it like a pro. Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn with Ease. Past tense as present tense has four forms. The first two forms, with the simple past tense and the past continuous tense, have already been covered. This video is on the third form of past tense, that is the past perfect tense. So let's get started. The past perfect tense is used for an action that had been completed before another action began in the past. Now look at the screen. There is an example. I had done my work before he came. Observe the underlined verbs. If you observe it carefully, you will find that two actions took place in the past. Action 1, action 2. I had done my work before he came. Completion of work is the first action in the past, and his coming is the second action in the past. So when you have two actions that happen in the past, the first action is represented by the past perfect tense and the second action that happened in the past is represented by simple past tense. The past perfect tense is used to describe an action taking place before a particular time in the past. The past perfect tense is used to describe an action in the past which became the cause of another action. The past perfect tense is used to describe an action in the past using the time adverbials such as already, since, before, etc.
Hello. Hi.
The past perfect tense is used to express an unfulfilled wish. Look at the example on the screen. If you had worked hard, you would have passed. Please observe the underlined verbs first. It means the person did not work hard, because of which he failed. So his wish of passing remains unfulfilled because he did not do what was expected of him to pass. So this example is used to express an unfulfilled wish. You can create your own examples to express an unfulfilled wish. For example, if he had run fast, he would have come first. If I had woken up early, I would have cooked food on time. Or you have learnt present perfect tense and you have seen the examples of the past perfect tense. So you must be wondering the difference between present perfect tense and past perfect tense. Let's understand it better with an easy example. The example of present perfect tense is I have visited Paris, and the example of past perfect tense is I had visited Paris. Now looking at the two examples, the quick trick to remember is present perfect tense links past to present and past perfect tense links past to an earlier past event.